Beauty founders, if I were responsible for your beauty brand's growth, I wouldn't start by launching new products. I'd start by fixing one thing first: your signature product and how it's being leveraged. Every scaled beauty brand has one thing in common: a product that anchors perception. Not necessarily a bestseller, but a product that carries the brand's meaning and sets expectations for everything else. When that's done right, something really powerful happens. Consumers don't evaluate each SKU independently anymore. They transfer trust, and that's the halo effect. Once the halo is established, growth gets easier because every new product enters the market pre-qualified. Here are some examples of how halos shape brand perception. When we think of La Roche-Posay, we think of Cicaplast and barrier repair. When we think of Bioderma, we think of Sensibio and gentle effective cleansing. When we think of Medic 8, we think vitamin A and C and visible transformation. For La Mer, it's miracle broth and recovery. For Dyson, it's engineering excellence beyond hair tools. These products didn't just sell well, they taught consumers how to perceive the brand. Here's the economic shift I'd like you to consider. A hero product is not the same as cheap market entry. And this is where some indie beauty founders can get stuck. A hero product isn't necessarily low price, entry level, or easy add to cart. We're actually seeing the opposite in the beauty industry today for winning brands that are doing this well. Here's a premium halo effect example in action. One brand that recently executed this exceptionally well is P. Louise. Instead of leading with small entry price items, in 2025, they realigned their TikTok strategy around curated gift sets, premium bundles, and immersive product moments. Same audience, different framing. The result? Their AOV increased from $20 to $80 in just 1 year. Not because they added more products, but because they changed what the hero represented. And here's what they did exceptionally well. The hero stopped being an entry point, it became an experience. If your brand already has a strong hero product, and many brands do, but the rest of the portfolio isn't moving, here's what I usually fix first in this order. Here's a 3-step framework to activate your hero product. Number 1, increase the reach around your hero product. Listen closely to what consumers are saying about your product through social listening and proof points. Not what you're saying, but what they're saying. Then refine the messaging and invest in amplification. Not more content, but iterate and create clearer content. Number 2, use the hero product as the active halo. The hero product should lead consumers to the rest of the line. And that could look like bundles, routines, upsells, cross-sells. If you like this product, then this product comes next, and that type of logic. This is where premium positioning matters. When the hero is elevated, then everything around it benefits as well. Number 3, optimize your retention strategy. If a customer keeps buying your hero product, they've already given you permission. That's where smart sequencing, routines, and campaigns turn one product loyalty into full portfolio adoption. Smart cross-selling is key here. Here's why this works well for lean teams. This approach reduces complexity instead of adding it. Fewer launches, clearer campaigns, better economics, higher AOV, stronger retention. This works because you stop spreading attention so thin and start building depth where it has the potential to compound the most. If you find this content helpful, you'll likely also find value in my Predictable Beauty Launch Masterclass preview, where I break down how hero-led launches remove guesswork and improve efficiency. Here's an actionable next step you can implement today. Define your hero product first, then build bridges around it. That's how growth starts feeling effortless. And if you want a pressure test if your hero product is actually driving results, email me at info@ateliersky.com with hero call in the subject line. I only take a few clients every month, so we'll first establish if there's a strong fit before scheduling. If you're interested on how to turn a hero product into a growth engine, spots are open on my masterclass waitlist. Waitlist signups get early access and exclusive bonuses to the deeper go-to-market framework and strategy. All details are in the description below. The lesson here is simple. Start with your hero product and use it to lift and bring awareness to everything else. For a quick assessment of what's holding back your brand, my Beauty Launch Audit Worksheet maps hero product campaigns and portfolio lift in 15 minutes. Visit ateliersky.com for instant access. I also share weekly breakdowns and actionable insights for indie beauty founders and support teams. Consider subscribing so you don't miss them. Thank you and see you in the next.